Hi guys, this is Max, and today I'll be sharing with you guys one of my favorite shortcuts. It's for the color page, and it's basically for renaming a new note. So without a keyboard shortcut, what we will do is right click and press on note label, and you will be able to rename. Okay, great. But that is not a lot of work. It's like 2 clicks. However, if you were to rename a bunch of notes, then it will become a tedious task, like right click, no label, rename, right click, no label, rename, right click, no label, rename, right? So instead we will go to the left top, Davinci Resolve, and click on keyboard customization, and we will find label. So color, notes, label selected note, and we will press R. So that makes renaming the note shortcut the R key. So actually the R key was used for something else before. You can see that it's grayed out. However, that it was grayed out. So when you click on it, you can see what it's used for. But I do want to have my rename no label shortcut to be R. And for this others, I could find other key. Yeah, but this one is personalized. So if you don't want to use R, you can use another key. That's fine. So now that we have this, we will save and save your preset name. I will just use my name and press OK. Close. So now we go to test. Make a new note, press R, and voila. Now you can rename it. So I want to reuse this shortcut key R for other renaming purposes. Maybe for renaming this timeline, I could come here, double click, and rename. However, if we want to put a shortcut key here, same here, we go to keyboard customization and we search rename. So let's just set all of this action that has a rename function into R. Save. So now you go here, we go here, we press R, and we can rename here as well. R, rename, R, rename. Even though it's just a little shortcut, but time added up will really save you time and make your workflow faster. So if you learned something and enjoyed this tutorial, remember to like and subscribe for future videos. Yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.